There are a lot of websites where you can actually chat with lonely people, people that are withdrawn, they are introverted people that have issues with mingling with the people in the outside world, but they can actually trust one. Such people, they just find comfort in chatting with only a person, or trusting a person with any of their problems. Alright, so welcome to my channel. My name is Okechukwu. In this channel, we talk everything money, right? How you can leverage on websites or apps out there to make money, or businesses that can actually increase your finances or make you so much money anywhere you are in the world. All right, so if you are just joining me for the first time, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I upload value added videos on this channel, you will get to know about that. All right, very important. I have lots and lots of videos I've uploaded, value added videos that can help you make money and better your life. Go and check out for those videos. So let's quickly dive into what we have today. Websites or platforms where you can actually make money by chatting with people. How to make at least $50 daily chatting with lonely people. All right, so I have about 5 websites I want to introduce to you today. All right, so all you have to do is to check them out, because there are people that are introverted and lonely. They struggle to make friends in real life, so they need advice from unbiased mind. So if you are not a caring person, I don't think you should actually sign up for these platforms. Okay, so the first on my list today is this website, Rent a Local Friend. Rent a Local on my list. Can you see that? So why I'm showing you all this is for you to know that this site actually exists. All right, so is meant, or the essence of this platform is to connect people around the world, people that are looking for friends, people that it focuses on travel and tourism. Local friend teleports the friend to their city, so you can actually be in another city and provide companionship, all right, to people. You provide tour, local information, and so on. A particular website is actually looking for people that can help others that have traveled to other countries to, as companions, and as a guide, tour guide, on how to move around and feel comfortable in that particular city. All right, so that's what this is all about. Look at local friend, authentic local favorite spots, virtual friend, just go and check it out, sign up, and you discover that people can actually contact you to be a guide, to be a companion to them, and you make money from connecting people. All right, but to helping people to actualize their dream in a new place. Then the second on my list is Rent a Cyber Friend. You can see this particular site actually exists, so it's not a hearsay. It makes real connection. It helps to make real connection. You can sign up on this platform and create a profile that people can actually connect with. All right, and they reach out to you to become their friends. So you can offer your friendship through video calls, okay, messaging, phone calls. Create a profile and complete a verification process. You get paid per minute. Can you see that? All right, but the platform takes 20% of what you earn, and you must be up to 18 years or older, and a webcam. There must be a webcam connection, internet connection, very important. Let the person know your interests. You must be a friendly person, very important. You can't be in this kind of profession and you're not a friendly person. You must be friendly and easy to dish out great advice. All right, the next one on my list is friendpc.com. This is another platform. Before you start, you have to create a profile. You sign up, create a profile, and verification. You won't do a video call. Okay, your virtual friends can be booked in advance for several days. All right, very important. You can set your price. So this one, you have the opportunity to set your price yourself. You find a friend. People come here to find friends, so you can be that friend people are actually looking for. Very important. Look at what the platform looks like. See this person, virtual lady for your life. All right, so please, if you're an introverted person like me, all right, you can actually get lots and lots of friends to chat with. in this platform, people that can profile, advise, give you advice that you need. Then the next one on my list is Chat Recruit. Chat Recruit is also a platform you can register and be a friend to someone through your phone or your webcam. You chat, all right? You be approachable. For you to be part of this platform or any other friend platform, you have to be an approachable person, you have to be a loving person, you have to be a great listener. If you're not a great listener, you might not do well in this line of profession. So in Chat Recruit, you earn with the world, service for adults, psychic, just go through that. You don't need an experience. All you need is good internet connection and a love of chatting. No joining fee, register for free, and on your own terms. Can you see that? All right, over $30 million paid out to our chat host, so you can actually sign up. Then the last on my list is Fiverr. We all know Fiverr. You can create a profile for as a freelancer. All right, so Fiverr is meant for freelancer. You can freelance any skill at all, so you can be skilled at helping people, being friendly, rendering emotional support to people. You can create a profile on Fiverr, all right, to provide relationship and emotional support. Set your own rate, all right. You can always cash out through PayPal or any other bank account. So these are the 5 websites you can make money, nothing less than $50,000. All right, so thank you for watching. Before you leave, kindly subscribe to our channel, all right, and go out to our website. We have a website. Reach out to the website. There are lots and lots of valuable information you can actually find on that website. All right, so before you go, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, and watch out for our next video. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. Goodbye.